Okay, this is the street of the canal of the vegetable gardens. And we have some really cool street way down there, building. We're gonna focus on that building. It's just this big monolithic, massive, kind of brownish building down there. So that's gonna be one of the focuses. And we're not too far from the border, and we're in an area called菜園涌, which is basically the border. So we're gonna go down our street in a few minutes, and then the border is actually right there. So that on the other side of this building is a fence, and then that is the Zhuhai side of mainland China. So we're right on the border. So let's go down our little I'll talk about the history of the canal, of the name as well. So so stay tuned for that. And yeah, that building's going to be the highlight down that way. So stay tuned. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Okay, so that's the street. There's actually a piano company right there. So they're playing the piano, so you can hear that in the side. That's going to be our focus, that one. It's kind of interesting. There's like a Chinese temple looking building at the top, at the rooftop up there. There's also a hotel. I'm kind of looking forward to getting over there. Then yeah, all these tall buildings everywhere in this whole area. It's kind of a beautiful sight, actually. Like just the height. So yeah, we're really close to the border right here. There's that piano place, so they're playing. There's like a school right there. I didn't film it, but and it's kind of cool. They have this street is a little bit tree lined. Huh. It's like little shipping companies, probably more like logistics, transportation stuff. And I think up on this area, there's another area. This technically we're in菜園涌. There's a whole other apartment that has like tons of mailboxes like that too. Check out that apartment. All those these are all just kind of jutting out of the side everywhere, all those little cages. So and then on this side, have all kinds of recycling stuff. So they're recycling cardboard, as you can imagine. A lot of import-export stuff because we're next to the border. Let me just see what this is real quick. Haircut stuff. It's a hair salon, but they have kind of cool stuff outside. Another one of those apartment buildings. It's so typical in this菜園涌to have these kind of mailboxes like this. A lot of mail just kind of sticking out of the boxes. I guess this whole area must be recycling cardboard. I mean, this block, we've been seeing a lot of that. Here's a little vegetable shop. Bicycle. Here's our street. Yeah, so we also have all these tall buildings. That name is Toisan. So these are all these Toisan buildings. Also these big massive buildings everywhere. You can see the border directly over there. Then we're gonna walk down. That looks like a that bus looks like it goes across the border. Is that word trans cross? Whatever it is. Okay, check out the writing on this one. They just kind of wrote it out with some kind of red paint brush. Okay, so we're walking down our Target Street. We got some nice trees in this area, surprisingly. This little medical shop, and this building is one of the ones that I really want to focus on. So we're gonna walk. Let's just kind of walk. I'm gonna get over on that side of the street in a few minutes, and that way we can see it from a different angle. Okay, there's a Toisan on that side. Let me just kind of walk across here. So that was where we were just coming down from. I'm gonna go across the street a little bit, try to get it from a different angle. And now you can see how that building looks. Let's see what this is. So now you can see how crazy that whole building looks. Yeah, isn't that amazing? And then you can see the contrast with the people as well, right? Pretty amazing. So I'm going to try to get some different angles of this. I'll try to come. It's kind of cool. They always have these kind of good luck stuff like that. So there it is right there. I can barely capture it all because I want to capture the street at the same time. I would have to use another view to adequately catch it. Little shrine right there too. In this little space is a Travessa. So I'm going to combine this Travessa because I want to capture all the different streets. But I think this Travessa would be kind of good for me to capture because I can see the Zhuhai border over there. You can actually see a sign that says Zhuhai. I think that's where the train station is at. So I'm going to combine the Travessa with the Rua. I think it's called the Rua. Rua is like street, Portuguese name for street. So yeah, you can see Zhuhai right there, Zhuhai, China. And then there's our street name. And then you also have some interesting buildings up here too, right? Got the Special Olympics. And then that's, the bus goes right there. So so I think I'm gonna turn around. And then one of my goals is to capture it like this, so you can see the magnitude of this building and just how cool it looks when you come at it from this angle. Just like this one giant, massive building. Combine it with that blue one as well right there too, right? That's also kind of amazing. So I can like fully capture how elegant and how interesting that looks. I'm gonna follow that street to the side, and then we'll put the context of people in there too, right? So they can see the context of the people. Yeah, I just can't capture. I could put this on like the different view, but I don't want to. And then there's a hotel right here. This hotel would overlook the border. Xinjiang. Yeah, that looks amazing. Oh, you even have this black and white tiles in here too. So this is a little hotel right in here. And then that would kind of be like that giant building. Okay, so let's try to capture that. So I guess you can capture a little bit of the image like that. And then that one has all these small, tiny little windows right there. And then we have the context of the people. So we're gonna come across like this. There we go. Does that look as cool to you as it does to me? Like just that wall of okay, we'll just keep on walking down. Just as an aside, there's some more crates right there as well. That's Jingmao border point, so that goes to Zhuhai, China. Foreigners can't use that one unless they're Macau resident, but it's only for they don't process foreign passports. But there's another border that's just not too far from here that they do. That's what this little building looks like. Amazing. So yeah, Qingmao is that one that's right over there. so that if you go through that building, you can walk basically through the building and then you're in the Zhuhai China side on the other side of the building. It also goes right to the train station, and the train station can connect you to all over China. A little bit of a park right there. And then I guess we're gonna just come across over here, and then we'll end our video right there. And you also all these tall buildings over on that side as well. Maybe I'm gonna try to get out of the road here, and then we'll just kind of come around to give you some context by coming around like this. So yeah, so this street used to be named after a check out the social housing right there, those big tall buildings as well. So so our target street, Canal das Hortas, was like, it used to be a canal, it used to be all like kind of fields, vegetable gardens and such like that. And we're gonna come to an end in a second here. And then this is called, this street has the same name, but it's called Norte, or Marginal. So anyways, let's end our video right there. The other sides of Macau. Okay, so this little Rua starts out at this Toisan area. Toisan is named after Taichan, like a village in Guangdong. And then this little street right here with all the tall buildings is called Canal das Hortas, which is like the canal of the vegetable gardens. So historically, this used to be part of this, kind of cool looking at all these tall buildings everywhere. Some of the artwork here. So this, I think this street, I filmed it recently and I thought it was all called Hua. I think I'm in Hua right now. Then I think this street is called the Norte de Canal das Hortas. Okay. So I am going to continue down our street. So this person parked right in the middle of the street like that. We'll walk all the way down. So anyways, I filmed these other two streets, this little neighborhood, and I kind of realized I hadn't quite filmed this one. And I think what I might do is, it's quite small, so I might just add it on to the Norte one. There's 88, that's kind of like a lucky restaurant. So yeah, this street will come out over here, and then the border is straight ahead. So I'm gonna probably add this onto the Norte Canal one and combine them, since initially I thought they were. So, and there's still the street right there, Rua de Canal das Hortas right there. And that's the border right there. So it's the border to China. And some people are walking across right over there. Okay, so I'll end this video